And here we are at the end of an exciting internship at Strayos. I am Richard Amuako, a PhD mining engineering student at the South Dakota School of Mines and Technology in Rapid City. I got to know about Strayos through Ankit, who is a graduate of the South Dakota School of Mines and currently a Strayos employee. He sent out an email informing us about the internship opportunity. I applied, went through a series of interviews, and got hired. I've been working on rock fragmentation prediction using machine learning. Specifically, I have built artificial neural network and support vector regression models for predicting rock fragment size. My favorite part of working at Strayos has been the rich pool of support that surrounds me. Everyone is willing and ready to support once you reach out. I find the deep learning techniques that I've been exposed to really interesting. And what Strayos has been doing with these techniques in the mining industry is really exciting. To future interns, I would say that to be successful at Strayos, you should be able to ask the right questions regarding the challenges you face. And you should also be willing and ready to take initiatives. The benefits of my time at Strayos are in two folds: the immediate term and the long term. The immediate term has to do with the completion of my dissertation. A component of my dissertation is machine learning based, and leveraging on what I've learned at Strayos, I'm going to be able to finish that in time. And also, the long term has to do with my career in the mining industry. I see that I'm going to be a versatile mining engineer who is not going to be stuck with the typical conventional mining engineering tasks, but going to be engaged more in tasks that incorporate automation and innovative technologies. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Emily Schottenfels. I'm pursuing a PhD at Northern Arizona University, where I study structural geology and tectonic geomorphology. I've been wanting to get involved with integrating data science and geoscience and came across Strayos, where I became lucky to receive a remote internship position. At Strayos, I worked with an interdisciplinary team of computer scientists and mining engineers to develop a machine learning model that predicts zones of mineralization using geophysical and geochemical data sets. It's been a great experience working with people from all different backgrounds and skill sets on innovative techniques in mining. This internship has made me incredibly excited for the future of the mining industry. For future interns, I would recommend to not be afraid to ask questions if you need help. Particularly if you don't have a computer science background like myself, it takes time and patience to learn and apply programming skills. The mentors are extremely supportive and helpful, so don't hesitate to ask. After this internship, I plan on taking the machine learning skills and applying them to my research on mapping faults and structures. In the future, I hope to take the skills I learned at Strayos and apply them to a career where I can use data science techniques to solve earth science problems. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Judith Bwaba, a graduate mining engineering student at South Dakota Mines, an engineering, science, and technology university. I first heard about Strayos when Ravi, the CEO, visited SD Mines some time back and introduced us to a demo of the Strayos software they had developed. Since then, I've been interested in working with Strayos and curious to know how AI is being applied to solve problems in the mining industry. During my time at Strayos, I worked on a slope failure project where I applied tools in AI to predict and detect slope instabilities in open pit mines. This is a new project Strayos is working on, and I'm glad to be a part of the team that started this. My favorite part about working with Strayos is the support I got during my training process. I was also linked with a team of experienced mentors who have extremely helped me with my project. The interesting part about my internship with Strayos has been the brainstorming process of knowing which input and output data to look out for and what the results should be concerning the slope instabilities we have in mining. Also, having to learn new concepts in deep learning, such as convolutional neural networks, have also been challenging and intriguing as well. I also learned how to process image for training in a machine learning model. My advice to future interns is that you need to ask a lot of questions and engage more with your mentors to succeed at Strayos. One of my major takeaways from my internship with Strayos has been the exposure to knowing how AI is being applied to solve problems in the mining industry. I have also been exposed to a lot of online resources, which I believe will help me in the future with any project I might be working on. If you are interested to know how AI is being applied to solve problems in the mining industry, I would advise that you apply as an intern to Strayos. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Akash Adhikari. I'm getting my PhD in mining engineering from South Dakota School of Mines and Technology. I found out about the company a couple of years ago when Ravi visited our campus for a presentation about Strayos. I was curious to learn more about how Strayos uses AI, ML, and CV technologies, so I applied for the internship. While at Strayos, I worked on different projects: Gawler Craton Challenge, which involved finding potential mineral targets in Gawler Craton area of South Australia; BHP Tailing Challenge, which involved repurposing fresh copper tailings to create valuable product and also to reduce social and environmental impacts. Both of these areas are new to Strayos, and the potential market expansion into these areas can be an effective way for Strayos to grow its business. My favorite part about the internships are the accomplishments that we made on the projects. For example, our methods and models that we developed can be used by Strayos to discover potential mineral targets globally where the exploration data is available. My coworkers and Strayos employees were very supportive of our ideas, and the whole team worked on it to make it successful. Working on different mining-related areas out of my comfort zone was very interesting to me. Working on these areas, I learned about different softwares, data extraction, data preparation techniques, and some aspects of CNN model development. One thing future interns can do to be successful is to ask questions and share your ideas, as the management is always willing to help and provide feedback to make further improvements. The experience that I gained while working at Strayos is invaluable to me. I had a chance to contribute to different projects, build professional connections, and add value to the company. Thank you.